Oh, bye.
Awa? Papan na ako.
Atis, get atis.
Papan ako dito kasi paborito ko to eh. Santol.
How much?
This one or... Ito atis? Ito kaya?
And sones also.
Ito eh.
Ready to eat.
Ready to eat daw. Ready to eat. Ready to eat. Ready to eat.
Mahal pala, dollar pala ang prices ba? In front of a site.
How much yan?
Yan, nadulyan. Nako.
1 kilo? Ha? This one.
How much kilo, Ray?
Magkano yung kilo niya? This one?
Say it in English, Maying.
How much?
1 kilo, 1 kilo. How much?
1 kilo? Ito longgan, gusto mo yan?
Depende the price. If the price is right.
Baka dollar yung presyo niya. 115. So ito, gusto
Okay?
mo?
Okay.
You want here?
Yes.
Dagdag pa tayo.
The same naman din sa ano, Manila.
Ha?
Price per kilo.
Yeah. Ito tuwis na ko, ha? Tuwis na price.
Ask the longans, Ray, how much?
Okay. Yeah. So?
How much longans? Pera ka pa?
How much? Kanina 100.
Nako. Libo ka na.
178.
Ang longans?
So 178 lahat na.
Get longans also, please.
Ito lang ka? Marami naman po.
Ask daw how much first.
Kaya anong gawin na rin ito? How much ka? Longgan, Santone,
Atis and
may pigoy. Yan kung magkano yung presyo. Siyempre harap siya ng kwan eh. 50. 50 na pala yan.
50?
220.
Yay! So around 500, almost 500 in fruits. That's okay. ₱500
Ha?
approximately.
Tingnan mo yung view ng ano to.
This
Because
is-
front kasi siya ng kwan eh.
It's kind of expensive because in front of
Front of,
this very nice temple. And this is our negotiator, price negotiator. Were you successful in
we don't know if we're
bargaining?
Scam, but so far.
So far, so
okay
good.
naman.
Thank you. Thank you. Sawadee ka.
So, ito yung change.